Hello, welcome to TM Connect. The first thing you must do when you receive an instruction as an ally is go to www.tmconnect.com. Log in using your email and password. After that, it's very simple. Go to My Account, locate the order you received, and find the tab corresponding to the relevant process, whether it's a trademark application, renewal, search, or copyright. Once you've found it, you must confirm receipt of the instructions by changing the status to Instructions Received within no more than 24 business hours in your jurisdiction, starting from the time you received the instruction email. Next, within no more than 3 business days in your country, you must upload the corresponding receipt for the requested process at the Actions column and update the status to Filed, in the case of a trademark filing, or Completed, in the case of a search report. Once this is done, the system will automatically send the user, your client, an email with a copy of the receipt, notifying them that the process has been completed. I hope this information has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.